Technology has reshaped the way we play, communicate, plan our lives, and work. Advances in sophisticated technology, along with reduced costs for the technology, are changing the delivery of training, making training more realistic, and giving employees the opportunity to choose where and when they'll work. New technologies allow training to occur at any time and place. In general, social networking facilitates communications, decentralized decision making, and collaboration. Social networking can be useful for busy employees to share knowledge and ideas with their peers and managers with whom they may not have much time to interact with in person on a daily basis. Employees, especially young workers from the millennial or Gen Y generations, have learned to use social networking tools such as Facebook throughout their lives and see them as valuable tools for both their work and life. Despite its potential advantages, many companies are uncertain as to whether they should embrace social networking. They fear, perhaps correctly, that social networking will result in employees wasting time or offending or harassing their coworkers. But other companies believe that the benefits of using social networking for human resource practices and allowing employees to access social networks at work outweigh the risks. They trust employees to use social networking productively and proactively in developing policies about personal use and training employees about privacy settings and social network etiquette. They realize that employees will likely check their Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn accounts, but they ignore it unless productivity is decreasing. In some ways, social networking has become the electronic substitute for daydreaming at one's desk or walking to the break room to socialize with coworkers. Advances in technology, including more powerful computer chips and increased processing power of PDAs, notebooks, and iPhones, have the potential for freeing workers from going to a specific location to work from a traditional work schedule. One estimate is that at least 9.5% or 13.4 million U.S. employees are working at home at least one day a week. 1 in 4 home-based employees are working in management, business, and finance jobs, and the others are self-employed. Technology also allows companies greater use of alternative work arrangements. Alternative work arrangements include independent contractors, on-call workers, temporary workers, and contract company workers. A key training issue that alternative work arrangements presents is to prepare managers and employees to coordinate their efforts so that such work arrangements do not interfere with customer service or product quality. The increased use of alternative work arrangements means that managers need to understand how to motivate employees who may actually be employed by a third party, such as a temporary employee service or leasing agency. New technology causes changes in skill requirements and work roles and often results in redesigned work structures, like using work teams. Work teams may assume many of the activities usually reserved for managers, including selecting new team members, scheduling work, and coordinating activities with customers and other units in the company. Cross-training refers to training employees in a wide range of skills so they can fill any of those roles needed to be performed on the team. Besides changing the way that products are built or services are provided within companies, technology has allowed companies to perform work using virtual teams. Virtual teams refer to teams with members that are separated by time, geographic distance, culture, and/or organizational boundaries, and that rely almost exclusively on technology, such as email, internet, and video conferencing, to interact and complete their projects. Virtual teams can be formed within one company whose facilities are scattered throughout the country or the world. A company may also use virtual teams in partnerships with suppliers or competitors to pull together the necessary talent to complete a project or speed the delivery of a product to the marketplace. The success of virtual teams requires a clear mission, good communication skills, trust between members that they'll meet deadlines and complete assignments, and an understanding of cultural differences.